Want to get paid $50 to $300 per month just by chatting in Discord or Telegram groups? Here's how beginners land their first moderation gig, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Welcome back to ZeroCapWeb. If you're new here, check our beginner playlist to get started with Web3 basics. In this video, I'll show you how to start as a community moderator for Web3 projects. No capital or experience needed, just consistency and professionalism. And if you haven't watched our previous videos on Galx and Zeely, check them out up there for more earning opportunities. Step 1 is simple but crucial. Join 5 to 10 crypto Discord and Telegram groups. I recommend starting with the big players: Arbitrum, zkSync, Polygon, Starknet, and Optimism. Don't just join random meme coin groups unless you want to moderate chaos all day long. Step 2. Become a digital detective. Observe how moderators interact. They answer FAQs, enforce rules, and welcome newcomers. Don't be that person who jumps in trying to moderate on day one. You'll get kicked faster than you can say blockchain. Step 3. Start engaging naturally. Answer questions you actually know, greet new members, and stay active. The key word here is naturally. Don't be that overly enthusiastic person who responds to everything with GM. You're not a crypto bot. Step 4 is where the magic happens. After 2 weeks of consistent engagement, DM the admins with this exact message. Hi, I enjoy this community and have been helping answer questions. If you're looking for moderators, I'd love to contribute officially. Simple, professional, and to the point. If this strategy is helping you see the path to earning, smash that like button and subscribe to ZeroCapWeb3 with notifications on. Step 5. Apply on job boards like CryptoJobsList and DeWork. Search for community moderator or Discord manager. These platforms are goldmines for remote Web3 opportunities. Don't sleep on them while everyone else is still trying to figure out what DeFi means. Step 6. Manage your expectations smartly. Expect starter pay between $50 to $150 per month. But here's the beautiful part. With experience, this can grow to $500 plus per project. Some experienced moderators manage multiple communities and earn $2,000 plus monthly. Not bad for chatting, right? Community moderation is honestly the easiest entry point into paid Web3 roles. No coding, no complex DeFi strategies, just good communication and consistency. Stay active, stay polite, and opportunities will follow you like a loyal dog. Comment mud if you want to try this path. I'd love to hear about your success stories. And if this video opened your eyes to a new income stream, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people who need it. Make sure you're subscribed to ZeroCapWeb3 with the notification bell turned on so you never miss our latest money-making opportunities in Web3. Share this with someone who's looking for their first Web3 gig, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more ways to earn in the crypto space. Until then, keep building your Web3 career.